Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I will show you how to use wireless reverse charging on the HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. So first of all, go ahead and check if wireless reverse charging is enabled. Open settings by scrolling down, pressing this little button. In settings, scroll down to the battery section. In the battery section, here's your wireless reverse charging. Turn it on. Now let's place the phone on a screen like this. Now grab the thing that you want to charge wirelessly. I'm going to charge this HUAWEI smartwatch. Place it on the back. Now the watch is turned off, so you can't tell it's charging, but to double check, let's see what our phone says. Grab the smartwatch and the phone. Make sure it's back to back. And now, right here, just set wireless reverse charging. It means that the smartwatch is charging off the phone's battery. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.